Good morning, everyone. This is day 9 of my daily planning series. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Today we're gonna set up my weekly page for next week. I'm very excited. First of all, I'm very sorry. When I did the editing of yesterday's video, I realized that I had very low energy. I don't know, I was very tired yesterday morning, and you could definitely hear that in my voice. So I promise that today will be a lot lighthearted. But let's start with setting up today's to-do list. And there's basically no video without me forgetting anything, so I totally forgot to look at yesterday first. That's what we're gonna do now. I can basically check everything on this list. Did my yoga session, I posted my March pictures to Instagram, I did my laundry, cleaned my car, and I edited and uploaded yesterday's video. Great! Let's look at the monthly page real quick, and as you can see, I'm going to a handball match at 2 p.m. and I have something to add. I'm going to the cinema at 5:15. And I'm gonna add those 2 appointments to my daily list. And we are gonna watch Bridget Jones 4. I am very excited. I love the 3 Bridget Jones movies that are already out. I'm gonna edit and upload today's video. And I also want to film a YouTube short while I'm filming this video, and I want to film my weekly setup. So this is what I'm also adding to my list, and this is my first YouTube short, so I'm very excited. I watched a few tutorials on how to create such a video, but let's see. You will see it very soon. And I just checked the weather, and what can I say? I'm gonna add another sun. And now it's finally time to set up the spread for the new week. So I'm gonna flip. This is my spring cleaning list. The video is linked down below or in the eye over there. And I'm gonna flip to the next blank page, and we're gonna set up the weekly spread over here. I really enjoyed the weekly spread that we did for last week, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set up the same weekly spread for the next week. So let's go! And that is next week's setup complete. Let's flip back to this week, and we're gonna set up the schedule for today. I am adding my sleep, my morning and night routine. I am adding the handball match and also my cinema date. And last, I'm gonna add green for work. I'm gonna flip to the beginning of the journal, and I'm gonna add in my yoga session. And that is week 4 complete. I'm so happy. Let's look at the monthly pages. And I'm not gonna check off the things that we did yesterday in my spring cleaning spread yet, because I want to take some pictures of the spread for Instagram first, and after that I'm gonna start using it. And now I'm gonna check my habits. Okay, that's it for my habits. I unfortunately didn't take a walk and I still haven't practiced any piano. I didn't socialize yesterday. I had some ice cream and we watched 24 and I fell asleep at around 10 p.m. But I can happily give you some updates on my reading. Let's see. I managed to read 70 pages in this book, and I'm now almost a quarter through the book. I don't know if I like the style of writing yet. It is very poetic. We have 2 main protagonists, so we're reading from both protagonists' point of views. I really like that, and there's some kind of connection building between those two, so I'm very excited and I will definitely keep reading today. I'm gonna add the page count real quick. 70 pages for yesterday, and I'm very proud of that. The 70 is very ugly. Oh my god. I'm gonna continue with the sleep tracker, and I managed to sleep 9 hours again. And I'm gonna check my screen time for yesterday real quick. And it was 2 hours and 45 minutes. Let's continue with the mood mandala. And yesterday was another average day, so I'm gonna add yellow for okay. Okay, we are moving on to the gratitude log. And as I told you, I had some ice cream yesterday and it was very good. So I'm gonna add ice cream, and I think I'm gonna draw it over here. I'm gonna add a darker brown for chocolate, and then I'm gonna use the lighter one for the cone. So we have strawberry, chocolate, and peppermint, which are 3 of my favorites. Not gonna add any songs, don't have any books, runs, or bike rides to add. So I'm gonna flip to today's page. The filming the YouTube short while filming the actual YouTube video was a total fail. I forgot to press start on my phone, and I'm thinking of filming the short maybe next week. That's it for today's video. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Enjoy the last day of this week. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Have a great start of your new week, and we will see each other again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone!